If you would like to have or start a friend quest in Duolingo, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, launch your Duolingo app, get logged into your account, and if you would like to start a friend quest, first of all, here are some things that you need to do. You have to at least complete one lesson this week if you would like to start the friend quest right away. Now, once you do so, tap onto your profile or the head icon and make sure that you have some friends that you are also following the person and the person is following you back and you guys are friends. Now tap on the gear icon. Now, if you have streaks going on and if you have completed one lesson in this week, you will see a friend quest button and you have to toggle it on. If you don't see it here, just know that you are not compatible to start a friend quest. And at times, to be honest, Duolingo simply start the friend quest itself. All you have to do is join a friend quest. So there is no way you can directly go ahead and start a friend quest, but this is brought to you by Duolingo. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.